Oh, I love this ride. I love this ride. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Craziest moment in the ride. Until now! Yeah! Yeah! Oh! 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 Slight break. Yeah! Yeah! Backward! Oh, that is so good.
Let's find a shady spot to sit down and talk about Aftershock. Let me compose myself so I can talk rationally. Nah, why talk? I can't be rational about this ride. I cannot be rational about this ride. It is so look, let's just cut to the chase. 5 out of 5 thrill. 6 out of 5 thrill. I don't know. It breaks the thrill scale. It is so thrilling, so exhilarating. I'm gonna say it. I think Aftershock is more thrilling than Terminalist Voyage. There, I said it. I still put the Voyage ahead of Aftershock, but on the thrill scale, Aftershock wins. Pain, shockingly smooth. There were a couple of little jolts going in and out of the cobra roll, but not really headbanging and perfectly fine. I was in row 11, which I have found it's one of the inner rows, and a little bit back of the middle of the train. I've generally found that to be a good seat, and I do I do have to take care of this body. It ain't 20 anymore. But pain, I don't. Maybe just for the intensity, it needs 2 ibuprofen, but it's not much. 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. Fun factor. I mean, you've seen me, right? You've seen me. I got to give this 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Earthquakes? I don't know what that's going to look. 5 out of 5 earthquakes. Future grandpa gets to figure out what that's going to look like here. Yeah, I absolutely love Aftershock. That alone is worth the price of admission. The roller coasters here at Silverwood in general are great, but Aftershock is head and shoulders above the others on Grandpa's list. Like I say, of 100 and some-ish coasters, only the Voyage beats it. And by a nose, the Voyage beats it. Amazing, 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 amazing. Okay, well, you have heard me blather enough about this thing. This is going to do it for the coasters at Silverwood. So, until the next time and the next park, just remember, gravity keeps trying to bring me down, but I'm not falling for it.